Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video on hybrids and how they work, because they're becoming more common, offered in an increasing number of our models, but not a lot of people know how they work. So in your regular vehicle, you have an alternator, converts energy created by the engine and turns it into electricity to power your radio and all your electronics in the vehicle. In a hybrid, you have a similar concept on a larger scale. When you brake, generally some heat is created just from stopping the car, and that energy kind of dissipates into nothing, whereas in a hybrid it's captured back to charge up a second battery in the vehicle with a much higher capacity, which then provides power to a small electric motor, which helps along the gas motor and significantly improves your fuel economy, especially in city circumstances. You'll also have options for plug-in hybrids, and with that you plug it in at night, similar to an electric vehicle, and for short distances you can treat it as an electric vehicle and putz around town in it. But then if you want to go on a long road trip, you don't have to plot out charging stations and whatnot. Just a greater amount of flexibility. And we have some exciting models you can get in this, including the all-new Nero redesigned for 2023, available in both plug-in and regular hybrid variants. The Sorento now is offered in both a regular and plug-in hybrid, and the Sportage as well. Now, there's a lot of demand for these. They're kind of tough to get, but we do well in terms of getting allocations as far as any dealership goes. And whatever kind of hybrid you're looking for, we're happy to do anything in our power to help make it happen. So call or stop by today.